And now, your First Alert 5 weather.
Crystal clear tonight from Kissing Camels to Flying Horse all the way up the hill into Green Mountain Falls. It's still warm out there and no wind at the moment. Enjoy that while you can. Crystal clear skies in Pueblo as well. Wind out of the west right now, just at 8 miles per hour. That's the calm before the big windstorm. This is our big weather story. Here's what's going to happen around here tomorrow. A cold front is going to post up on the other side of the Continental Divide during the day. That thing will move over the Continental Divide here across eastern Colorado by Saturday morning. There's the main energy, and this thing is just going to pass too far to the north to be a major moisture maker around here. Circulation around that low is going to swing in some stiff south to southwest winds, and of course extreme fire danger here all across the News 5 viewing area. There again, that red flag warning from border to border to border all the way back west to the Continental Divide. Here's what that wind is going to do. It'll be calm tomorrow morning, but by late morning and especially afternoon, that wind gets really strong around here. Gusts from 55 to, in some areas, up to 60 miles per hour. Even tomorrow evening, this is 6 o'clock, we're gusting to 61 miles per hour in Colorado Springs, and that wind is not going to settle down until overnight, tomorrow night into Saturday morning. There's that red flag warning and also the high wind warning for those strong gusts, potentially damaging winds across most parts of southeastern Colorado. It's going to start out really humid tomorrow morning, but as those winds come in, it's going to scour out all that low-level moisture. We will end up with humidity values into the single digits, 6 and 7% at times tomorrow. That's why the fire danger is just going to be so high around here. So my bottom line, avoid outdoor spark and flame. Keep in mind when it's this dry, humidities are this dry, I'm going to see the tender dry fuels out there in that strong wind. Even a spark can get a fire going. We've had fires start as trains roll down the tracks, let off a spark and start a fire, dragging a chain across the pavement, sparking a fire. Also tractors and lawnmowers letting off sparks and starting fires. So here's the phrase that pays: be careful and be alert. Across the area tomorrow, it goes without saying, no outdoor burning. Keep those cigarette butts inside the car. And again, if you see smoke, call 911 as quick as you can. That would allow firefighters a chance to jump on a fire as quick as they possibly can. Finally, some much needed moisture in your forecast. This is not going to be that soggy soaker we're hoping for, but any moisture is good news at this point. Late Sunday afternoon, Sunday night into early Monday morning, rain and even snow. It's not going to be an accumulating snow, but it will have some pretty good water content. Lows this morning into the 40s, afternoon highs this afternoon into the 70s and 80s. Outside tonight, it's still really warm out there. Look at La Junta, 72 is the current temperature. Mostly clear skies overnight tonight. It'll be calm. Low temperatures really warm for this time of the year. Those numbers 10 to 15 degrees warmer than average. And tomorrow for your finally Friday, hot stuff coming through. 90s out across the valley tomorrow to go along with that strong gusty wind. We're going to go with a 3 on that storm impact scale in Colorado Springs for that extreme fire danger across the area tomorrow. Big time cool down over the weekend, and there's that moisture by Sunday afternoon into Sunday night. And it'll be a chilly day on Sunday. Temperatures start to warm up by Tuesday into next week, and it's going to be dry once again. Pueblo gusts over 60 miles per hour tomorrow afternoon. That, along with that low humidity and tender dry fuels, that is the recipe for explosive fire growth. If a fire gets going, it will be almost impossible to contain, so be careful out there, please. Much cooler air on Saturday with wind and dry air, and then a few April showers by late Sunday. Canyon City, keep an eye peeled for smoke tomorrow, and again, call law enforcement quickly if you spot something. Red flag conditions likely again Saturday before some much needed moisture late on Sunday. Woodland Park, that wind is going to play for keeps tomorrow. Windy again on Saturday. Then by Sunday, you will be dashing through the snow. How about that? A wet snow late Sunday afternoon into late Sunday night. Much needed water on the way, guys.
Mike, thank you.